Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Jamovi. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the idea of multicollinearity and how to detect it. You can find more videos on data analysis using Jamovi, spss, RStudio, MS Excel, statistics and econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the idea of multicollinearity. Multicollinearity. So multicollinearity is associated with multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression. So when two or more independent variables are correlated, let's say we have y is equal to alpha plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus mu. This is our regression function. So here we have two independent variables x1 and x2. Now if these two independent variables are correlated with each other, then we have the problem of multicollinearity, and therefore these regression coefficients are unstable. They don't give us the predictable outcome. They are no longer blue, base linear unbiased estimator. Now we use VIF to detect multicollinearity. Now what is VIF? Variance inflation factor. VIF is variance inflation factor. So let's understand what is variance inflation factor and how to find or which value indicates multicollinearity. So we need to understand the meaning of VIF. So what is VIF? So VIF basically shows that how much the variance of regression coefficient, how much the variance of regression coefficient is inflated due to correlations. That is the idea of VIF. Now let's understand the interpretation. So if VIF is equal to 1, there is no multicollinearity. If VIF is greater than 1, then indicates some level of multicollinearity. But if VIF is greater than 5 or 10, then we have the problem of serious multicollinearity or severe multicollinearity. Severe problem of multicollinearity, and therefore we need to take some other actions to correct this. Now let's see how to check whether we have the multicollinearity problem. So go to regressions. In regressions we have the option of linear regression. Now we have three variables. So wage rate is my dependent variable and education and experience are dependent variables. Here you can see the regression output. Right? Now in assumption checks we have the option of collinearity statistics. In assumption checks we have the option of collinearity statistics. So select this, and therefore it gives us the VIF value and tolerance value. Now you see VIF value, it is almost 1 or 1.7, near to 1, and therefore we do not have the problem of multicollinearity. If this value is greater than 5, if it is greater than 5 or 10, then we have the problem of severe multicollinearity, and we need to consider other steps to correct the multicollinearity. But since it is less than 5 or near to 1, we do not have the problem of multicollinearity. That means our two independent variables, education and experience, are not correlated with each other. So that is the idea of multicollinearity. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.